On 31st of October, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council organized felicitation program to honor the successful candidates of Assam Public Service Commission APSC Combined Competitive Examination 2020 at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat, New Building, Meeting Hall, Dipu. Looking at the numbers form the history of Karbi Anglong in competitive examinations, the numbers could be seen increasing year after year till date. Many youths from the district had managed to clear the APSC examination and join the services as an officers in various departments. Likewise, this time around, as many as 15 youths from the district had successfully cleared the APSC 2020 CCE and is prepared to serve in Assam Police Service, Assam Civil Service and Elite Services of the state. Hence, to honor their hard work, sacrifices, dedication and determination they had made right from the start of their preparation to becoming a civil servant, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, led by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, organized a felicitation program at KAAC Secretariat, New Building on 31st October. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, while speaking to us, informed that many youths had benefited the free coaching facility provided by KAAC. KAAC had also provided financial assistance to all the youths who cleared the preliminary stage of the APSC CCE 2020.
So APSC by APSC ki ununji aphan akejo ipen log apethan lake Karbi Anglong Autonomous Constituency itu pihon tapi ki undun na main exam ki undun atum aphan tame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kerap pihon la pen non unde pen aphan tame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kerap rumlo.
News report, Karbi Anglong Live.